So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now to get here, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times. So you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times, and then on the 4th time when you turn your computer on again, it will then take you into this screen. It's going to say that your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on Advanced Options. And then once you're on this, I'm going to be showing you 2 different methods on how you can fix this problem. So for the first method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then System Restore. If you do not see System Restore, then you want to click on SIM Recovery Options. Then it should appear right here. So you want to click on System Restore. If you have any restore points enabled on your computer, then you want to click on Next and then go back to your restore point. If you don't have any, that's fine. We're going to click on Cancel. And now for the second method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Command Prompt. And now once you're on the command prompt, you want to type in bootrec space / fix mbr. Click on enter. Now you want to type in bootrec space / fix boot. Click on enter again. If it says access is denied, just ignore it. Now we're going to type in bootrec space / scan os. Click on enter again. Now we're going to type in bootrec space / rebuild BSOD. Click on enter again. Now we're going to type in sfc space / scan now and then click on enter again. You now want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now we're going to type in chkdsk space c : space /f space /r. Click on enter. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. This scan's going to take a while for me to complete, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to get off this right now. But in your case, you want to complete this whole scan. Once you complete the scan, you want to close out of command prompt. And now you want to continue to Windows, and then the problem should be fixed.